Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि परमशिवशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and blessing. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahant, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, all the living and practicing Hindus all over the world, and the dignitaries, statesmen who are here today, Mr. Bol Akum Deng, Director of Communications, Office of Vice President representing South Sudan, Miss Gracie Romera, Chief of Staff, Senate of Dominican Republic representing Dominican Republic. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. The higher dimensions, when they enter consciously into the lower dimensions, they manifest as powers. Unexpected positive turn of the events and the reality you experience. You can name it as miracle, you can name it as power, You can name it as a God's grace. You can use any name you want. But the greater science, the cosmic science, is the higher dimensions entering into the lower dimensions. For example, length, breadth, depth, time, space. If the space dimension enters into time, time literally manifests everything space wants. If the time dimension enters into depth, depth manifests everything time wants. Understand? This length, breadth, depth, time, space, all these dimensions are independently intelligent, alive, able to make their own conclusions and respond within their frame and working zone. Please understand. The length dimension is responsible for your logic, rationality. The breadth dimension is responsible for your ability to feel the emotions, feeling connections. The depth dimension is responsible for you making cognitions, powerful cognitions about life beyond your logic and emotions. I am mapping the cosmic dimensions into your practical every day-to-day experience. Listen. Length dimension is responsible for your logical, rational thinking. That does not mean the whole length dimension is limited to your logical, rational thinking. No. Anything which moves as per the logical, rational thinking you understand, all of that are bound by the same length dimension. For example, if you know this is the way water will flow, water moves from above to low. Water is also bound by the same length dimensions thinking. That is why your understanding about the water based on your length dimension thinking proves true forever. So, the cosmic length dimensions flow. When you understand the length dimension in you through logical, rational thinking, opens the life and its benefits of length dimension to you. A person who knows maths enjoys all the benefits mathematics brings to human life. A person who knows chemistry enjoys all the benefits the chemistry brings to human life. The person who knows biology enjoys all the benefits the biology brings to human life. Same way, if you know the length dimension and how Many things in this world function based on length dimension. You will enjoy the benefits of all that knowledge in your life. Length dimension by itself is a power, independent intelligence. Same way, breadth dimension by itself is a power. Anyone who understands the breadth dimension will be an amazing lover. People will just love to hang around him. He will be an amazing, a powerful magnet, radiating love. Even his people who have difference of opinion with him for some reason, or who are jealous, angry, who cherish enmity, even they can't deny they are pulled towards him. How he gravitates them. A person who understands depth dimension of the universe, has access to everything which functions centered on any principle. Metallurgy, economy, politics, social science, everything which functions centered on some established principles, some deep cognitions. See, your doctor may prescribe drugs from different pharmaceutical companies. One doctor may give paracetamol from one company, another doctor may give the prescription from different pharmaceutical company, but the fundamental principle, cognitions, will be same for all the doctors who are pro-life, life positive, who are oriented, who are focused on treating the patients. Understand? I was studying why Americans trust Indian doctors. You should know, Indian doctors are the most successful doctors in US, not just in number, are making money, trusted by the patients, because fundamentally they don't compromise on the health of the patient. You can't buy an Indian doctor easily. I'm not saying the other culture doctors can be easily bought over. No, I'm not saying any of that. Don't make negative inference. I only wanted to say the statistics available, data available proves not only big pharmas are not able to buy Indian doctors to do unethical practices, the patients also have a high trust for Indian doctors when the patients have choices. Even if they have to travel long distance or take few more steps, they opt for Indian doctors if the Indian doctors are available. That was a surprise. I should say pleasant surprise. Because fundamentally, Hinduism pushes, drills the cognition life is sacred. Ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Make money within the framework of non-violence. Do not violate the fundamental principles of life. So understand, every dimension, when it enters into the lower level dimensions, it manifests intense power. Now, I want you to understand, time and space is independent intelligence and power. I'll give you simple understanding, very raw, crude, down to earth, simplest understanding. You just try to internalize this one understanding. I'll help you to go through the whole initiation and make you manifest this power. I commit with you. Just understand this one. Time is as alive as your skin. If you believe, cognize, your skin is alive. If somebody massages your skin, you feel good. If somebody cuts it, you feel bad, pain. How much your skin is alive, that much, I should say little more than, much more than that, time is alive skin of the cosmos. Listen, where your skin ends, the skin of the cosmos, which is called time, starts. Actually, your skin and the skin of the cosmos both always touch each other. You can't be away from cosmos. Understand this? Where your skin ends, exactly that is the spot time starts. Time is the skin of the cosmos. Time is the skin of the cosmos. How you have a nervous system which passes the thought currents inside you, same way the cosmos has a nervous system which passes its decisions and thought currents, that is the space. Your skin is alive. Your nervous system keeps you living. The equivalent of your skin for the cosmos is time. Equivalent of your nervous system for the cosmos is space. Anybody who has a background in Vedas, Ayurveda, these three fields, Veda, Ayurveda, Yoga, if you have a knowledge, basic knowledge, you will see I am just cutting across all the three layers, all the three knowledge and revealing these truths. Listen. the cosmos skin time, how you inhale and exhale through your skin decides your aging or anti-aging. You can see I am continuously anti-aging, means growing younger and younger. The more and more years pass, the more and more my ability to be in samadhi and manifest the higher and higher energies and dimensions is exploding. My performance is increasing. Age is neither tiring nor boring or frustrating. It's only making me more and more younger, excited, healthy, active, energetic, alive. I'm actually feeling excited. Constantly to do what I was doing for last 40 years. At least last 25 years we have a document. The same type of webinars, classes, initiations, spiritual work. We have 25 years of photographic, videographic documents available. And still I may be doing 100 more years, at least. Maybe more, but at least 100 more years. But I am not at all feeling tired or bored or even thinking that, oh, same thing I have to do again 100 more years. No, I am only more excited. How many more new things I am going to bring it out to the world. Just because of this one secret. Listen to this secret. I know the consciousness goes on rejuvenating the skin of the cosmos called time. That rejuvenated skin time is entering into my skin and constantly rejuvenating me. Listen. Your yesterday morning 4 o'clock and today morning 4 o'clock is not same. Stop getting this idea of monotonous. There is nothing called monotonous. Every second, the skin of the cosmos called time is fresh and it enters into your skin, makes it fresh. I constantly inhale the cosmos skin through my skin, cosmos's nervous system into my nervous system. You can use the word cosmos or God, Paramashiva. See, Paramashiva's skin is time. Constantly inhale Paramashiva's skin into your skin. Paramashiva's nervous system is space. Constantly be inspired by the space of the Paramashiva in your space. Listen. Length, breadth, depth, time, space. Next is consciousness. Consciousness of Paramashiva and consciousness of you is one and the same. Be very clear. How much you are alive with your liveliness, your feeling of your aliveness, with that, if you try to grasp, understand the liveliness of Paramashiva, that's enough. You do not need to worry that you don't understand Paramashiva, you don't manifest Paramashiva. No. If you want 20-inch biceps, it's not that it's going to happen in one day. You first start building your biceps, and that muscle which you built helps you to lift more weight, and you lift more weight and build the muscles more. Same way, with your available consciousness, you try to contemplate, grasp, cognize, meditate on Paramashiva how much you can. When Paramashiva's consciousness starts triggering your consciousness, his space triggers your nervous system, his time triggers your skin. Simply you manifest him in your day-to-day life. Listen. I'll give you an example. If you throw a stone, with the basic Newton's law, the theories of physics, you will know with what force you threw the stone up and how it will take the curve and how it will land. But while the stone is in the air, if there is one more intervention happens on that stone, one more push through air blower or something, then naturally the stone will not come down as we predicted. It will go through another cycle. Same way, your age, your health, your ups and downs can be intervened, altered, changed, corrected, completed, totally rewritten by intervention of Guru's initiation, Shaktipada, Shaktinipada, Energy Darshan. Understand? My intervention in your life is consciousness of Paramashiva intervening into your consciousness, and the space of Paramashiva manifesting in your nervous system, skin of Paramashiva manifesting in your time, I tell you, simple few truths I'll reveal. Listen. I have so many things to narrate. Simple. If you have the ability to handle your hunger related pattern, it will be so easy for you to handle time. If you have the ability to handle the pressures or ups and downs created by your hormones, it will be so easy for you to handle your inner space. If you have the ability to handle the fear of expansion, everyone is afraid of expansion. If you are able to handle the fear of expansion, Paramashiva's consciousness will just manifest in you. We are greedy of expansion one side. Deep down we are also afraid of expansion. That is why whenever I pour initiation and Shaktipada in you, within next 48 hours you try to come down and catch hold of the same old, small, silly, street fights. It's not even like a materialistic desire. Actually, your materialistic desires are not wrong. But you always want to live in conflict. You feel you should have materialistic desires and it should not be fulfilled easily, and you should go on be blaming someone for that not getting fulfilled. You enjoy these conflicts and conflict-centric life. That is where the whole mess is. I am telling you. Stop enjoying this conflict-centric life. In any field, the consciousness of Paramashiva can manifest intensely, ferociously, life in you spontaneously. Understand? Again, I wanted to remind you, a person under oath cannot lie. I am under cosmic oath. All the gods and goddesses of Kailasa are watching me right now, this moment. I have no right to blabber. I can't take your time for granted. I have to be absolutely integrated to your time, because for your boss your time is money. For me, your time is your life. If you are coming and sitting with me, I know you are giving your life to me. So I have to make your life productive for you, useful for you. Whether I smile at you, love you, teach you, initiate you, hug you. In any way, what I do, whatever I do, I have to make your life productive, because you are not giving just your time. You sitting with me is giving your life. Understand? This basic few cognitions which I am saying today, just remember them for today's initiation. That is enough for me. And I don't expect you to remember all these great truths forever. I am a very practical person, and I know you guys don't remember. Listen, and I know you guys don't remember, and I am okay about it. I am not a person who has a high expectation. I have confidence on my physical health, mental stamina, conscious powerfulness, and I'll continue to sit with you and continue to remind you, awaken you, enlighten you. Because I am confident about my abilities to initiate you. I make your work a lot easier, and I do not expect you to have a high standards. Understand one thing. The whole humanity is suffering when it tries to classify others as good people and bad people. There is only two categories: integrated people, non-integrated. That's all. There is no good, bad. If somebody is absolutely integrated to money, even if he becomes doctor, he will be bad doctor, but that is not the that's not his problem. What to do? He is highly integrated to money, so he should have gone into the field of making money. A person who is highly integrated to health and non-violence and life positive should become a doctor. It is like you can't judge people as good, bad. You can only understand people as integrated, non-integrated. So, if you want to solve all human relationships related problems, the problems related to human relationships, if you want to solve, start categorizing people based on integrity. Hey, this person is this much integrated, this much non-integrated, this much integrated, this much non-integrated. He is integrated to this, he is integrated to that. Think in that language, you will be successful, I tell you. I have handled millions of people from multiple cultures. Even now, continuously I am handling millions and millions in multiple ways. I feel so excited, happy, alive, because I never classify people as good or bad. I classify them as integrated to this, integrated to that. So the conflict of interests need to be solved if you want to solve the issues between human beings. So it's all about the integrity. If you start thinking in the scale, in the line of integrity, and start understanding human beings from the angle of integrity, yes, he is integrated to that, he is integrated to this. If I want this result from him, he should be integrated to this. If he is not going to be integrated, let me choose somebody who will be integrated to that and get the result from that person. Everything. Whether in your business, career, family, life, everywhere. Start understanding the people in the language of integrity. You will have tons of happy relationships around you. Listen. Integrity-centric analysis about the people will remove the violence from inside you. When you are not entertaining violence inside you, you don't age, you don't feel tired, you don't feel bored, you don't feel frustrated. Even if your body is not active, you just know how to heal it, clean it, treat it, bring it back to life and energy and integrity, excitement. You just know. Attend to the problems in the right angle. Any problem, if you look from the angle of integrity without judging good or bad, don't judge your spouse, your family, people who are near and dear ones to you, your team, your manager, your boss, your client, your subordinate, anyone in your life. Don't judge them as good or bad. Try to understand them to what they are integrated. Are they integrated to their boredom, their frustration, their tiredness? Try to understand, are they integrated to their excitement, their passion for you, their love for you, their joy for you? Try to understand what is their integrity. You will decode them. They will love to be around you. You will love to be around them. Life will flourish when you know to what they are integrated, and try to understand and try to make them part of you based on what they are integrated. This whole Kailasa government I run by only one thing, by understanding human beings based on their integrity. Many times people complain, oh, bad people are around Swamiji. Why good people are not around him? Even if they are bad, they are able to get near him. They become power centers in Kailasa. There is nobody called good people, bad people. Understand the principle of integrity. And look with that eyes, you will see my Kailasa government structure is absolutely integrated to Paramashiva. The whole structure is integrity centric. when I was doing Kayakalpa, I had few of the Gurukul kids. With their parents, I called them to be around me to manifest powers. The only one condition I put them. Don't break integrity and take the kids away. Nothing else need to be done. The seed I am putting, because the way I am going through the samadhi, they don't even need to come near me. They live in with their parents, but around me in that same breathing space. They don't come and meet me. They don't get initiated, or I don't touch them, and they don't even come to meet me. But they are living in the same breathing space with their parents. I told them, do not take them away from me. Do not break that one integrity. That's all. Keep them integrated. You will see how this power which is manifesting in me will manifest in them. I tell you, just this power of integrity. One of my Gurukul kid, I think he's the only one who was not taken away by his parents away from me. The parents took the firm decision. Their commitment to me was not like a political or opportunistic. It was a devotion centric, integrity centric. They stood with me. Now that child has mastered Panini's whole Mahabhashya. In the whole world, there are only 100 people who have mastered Panini Mahabhashya, who can do like Sadavadana, means anything you ask about Panini Mahabhashya, he manifests the answer. He has just 24 hours before passed the examination by a very standard, highest standard of examinations. Maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow he will be coming to Satsang to do the live demo. Subhagyanananda, if you know the Paramartha's kid, Paramartha's son, I initiated him and blessed him that he will manifest my own Saraswat. Means like all the language I know, all the knowledge I have, everything he will start manifesting. Panini is the foundation of the knowledge. He started manifesting. In the whole world, there are less than 100 people who have mastered Panini, who can challenge him in Panini. I can boldly say, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will come to the satsang and do the demo, and we will throw the challenge open to the whole world. Anybody can come and test him. If you have heard Shankaracharya's life, Todakacharya's incident, all Shankaracharya did is just initiated Todakacharya. And Bhatmabada, both of them received the whole thing just by initiation. Bhatmabada never attended the classes. For both, he just gave the initiation, gave the whole knowledge. There is no good bad. In cosmos, there is no good bad. In the conscious scale, there is no good bad. There is only integrity. It's just integrity is the key to understand who gets what in the life. If you want to manifest consciousness in your life, integrity is all you need. Listen. The next truth I am going to reveal. Your brain has a capacity to generate and manifest the most intense light on the planet Earth, which can be 100 times more than the sun you see. Or I should say, even 1,000 times more than the sun you see every day morning. Your brain has the capacity to visualize, grasp, manifest that kind of a light. Your nervous system has a capacity to convert that light into a very positive, powerful energy. Command. And your body and mind has the capacity to manifest that command into reality. Listen. Your brain has a capacity to receive, reflect, manifest 100 times more powerful light. Light is the small word I am using. You can call it as tejas. Conscious, shining light with its own intelligence, independent intelligence. Your brain, which has that capacity to grasp tejas. I think I'll explain the word tejas for the newcomers. See, prana, tejas, ojas, these are all the different level words for the energy of the consciousness in Sanskrit. You understand the word tejas with the definition I am giving? It is like a Paramashiva. He is made of consciousness, tejas. He just takes his tejas and pours it on you. He just takes his consciousness and pours it on you. How it will be? That is exactly. He just puts himself in you. He can just put himself in your brain. He putting himself in your brain is initiation. Understand? He putting himself in your brain is initiation. And don't worry, don't think, oh, I got initiation, 10 days I felt so high, then I came down. Don't worry, after 10 days I will come back again and pour you with more energy. I am young, you are young. We have a long life and future together happily till you become Paramashiva. And even if you are old, if you die, don't worry, I will bring you back to be with me. I need lot of Gurukul kids. You can come back and enjoy more initiation. Nothing to worry. And I tell you, once you taste my initiation, whichever loka you go, காந்தம் இரும்பு போல் கவர்ந்து என இழுத்து. Beautifully Ramana Maharshi says how the magnet pulls the iron. Same way, any initiated soul, if you have tasted initiation, I'll just pull you back. Just get you back. Any loka you may go. Any number of janmas you take. So, do not worry about the lower curves may come. Forget about it. If you are always worrying about the honeymoon is going to end, honeymoon will end. Even while you are having honeymoon, you will be only thinking of ending it quickly. You will manifest quick ending of the honeymoon. You are not going to have honeymoon with me. It's the honey sun. Forever, eternal. Don't worry about you coming down. I'll again come and again raise. I won't even give 10 days break. Many people were messaging. Last initiation was so high. Something has happened. The plants I kept became different color. My pet is highly excited, energetic. Even I do not know what has happened inside me during the multiverse initiation. Now I'll take you to the next level initiation. So it's all fundamentally the power of initiation. Taking you to the next, that path. I revealed few truths in this session. If you remember them, enjoy. If you don't remember, don't worry. By the virtue of you being here, I can initiate you. Make the consciousness of Paramashiva, which is like 1,000 suns, tejas, reflect on your brain. Your brain is capable of that. You need to know that. When the consciousness of Paramashiva floods itself into your brain, the space of Paramashiva enters into your nervous system. The time of Paramashiva manifests through your skin. And just explodes as power manifestation in you. In your life, miracles, health, length, breadth, depth, in all dimensions. It just starts manifesting. My personal advice for anyone who is very intimate with me, understand, who are very loving, intimate with me, for them, who really take me seriously, for you I only tell one thing: as much as possible, stop entertaining conflict, or stop enjoying, getting addicted to this conflict centric life. See, you somehow feel you should desire something, and deep down you feel you should not get it. If you get it, you may feel bored and you may take it for granted, and you should struggle for it, and then life should go on in the struggle, and the struggle is tasty. Some stupid conflict enjoying mental setup, that kind of a software programming has been done inside you, which you also cherish it. Drop that stupidity. That's all you need. If you want to manifest, manifest, enjoy. If you don't want, drop it, drop. But be integrated to what you want and what you don't want. Understand that that's all. As I said, life is all about integrity, not about good bad. It is not at all about good bad. It is all about integrity. You are a powerful possibility. You are a powerful possibility. You are a powerful possibility. Listen to that. Consciousness is more powerful than the power of gravity, electromagnetic force, light nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. Gravity, gravitation force, gravity force, then the electromagnetic force, then light nuclear force, then strong nuclear force. All these forces, all the four, are much lower than the power of consciousness. Your power of consciousness has a capacity to reflect Paramashiva's consciousness. As I said, today's initiation, I'll give you the altered states of consciousness, the higher altered states of consciousness. Actually, I'm going to give 108 important things I brought from Kailasa to planet Earth, starting from unclutching initiation, complete completion, the DNA of very core of Paramashiva, the science of power manifestation, like this, more than 108 best gifts till now I brought it from Kailasa and perfected it. I'm going to give it all these 108 through this Paramashivoham level 3. And before initiating in the Paramashivoham level 3, I'll give it to all of you, to the whole world. I am not interested in making money. The whole 108 initiation, I will give it to all of you free of cost before I start the Paramashivogam level 3 openly. But I am very clear, only if you are committed and going to sit sincerely, you will receive it. It is so unfortunate that human beings, unless they pay, they don't sit with commitment. Anything comes free, they take it for granted so much. You are integrated to your money. That is why I charge you. If you are just integrated to me, not to your money, these 108 sessions, all the 108 initiations, I will give it to you. Actually, I decided I will even postpone the Paramashivogam level 3 10 days. Means earlier it was supposed to start 10 days before the Shivaratri. Now I decided. On Shivaratri day, I will start the Paramashivogam. I just wanted all of you to know, I am not interested in money, but most of you are so integrated to money. Unless you give money, you don't receive sincerely. You take it for granted. That is why I am asking you to give some Guru Dakshina. If you are absolutely integrated to me and not integrated to money, you attend all these webinars and initiations I am going to give from now till Shivaratri, you will receive Paramashivogam 3. Paramashivogam 3. I am going to give a focused initiations of all these 108. Asking you to give some Guru Dakshina because you are only integrated to money and you understand only the language of money. Only if you give money, you will open up your whole being and very sincere about every minute, every session. Otherwise, you take the session for granted. Shivaratri is March 1st. So I'll start the program on March 1st on Shivaratri day. Just today I decided. Many, this middle class mind, oh, why should I pay for initiation? Because you are integrated to money only. You understand the language of money, you have to give Guru Dakshina in the form of money, that's all, nothing else. If you think you are integrated to me, then come and attend all these sessions. I will give the initiation, receive it. I don't have a problem. You know the difference. When you give money, how you receive the initiation, and when you don't give money, how you take it for granted, all of that you know. I don't need to advise you. As I said, I do not judge you as good or bad. I only look at the whole thing as integrity. To what you are integrated, that's all. To what you are integrated, it's all over. That's all. I'll give you all the 108 great gifts I brought from the Kailasa. DNA of Paramashiva, Paramashivatva, completion, Paramashiva state, space, powers, every dimension I brought. I give it as an experiential initiation to all of you. That's all. I tell you, if you do hard work, your whole life you will make some few million. If you do smart work, your whole life you will work and make maybe few 100 million. If you understand the concept of money, you will make billions. If you understand and able to operate the principle of money, you will loan trillions. Whole concept of money I defined just in this one statement. If you do hard work, your whole life you will make few $1 million. If you do smart work, your whole life you may make few $100 million. If you understand the concept of money, you will make billions. If you understand and able to manifest, operate the principle of money, you will loan trillions. So I have nothing to gain from you all economically. See, I don't need your money to be rich, and I don't need your vote to become a president. I already declare I am a president and I am a president, that's all. I neither need your money nor need your vote. Because I don't need anything from you, I will always tell the truth to you as it is. I don't need to exploit you. I don't need to manipulate you. I don't need to lie to you. I love you. Because you can neither give me anything nor you can take away anything from me. You can't threaten me. I have nothing to gain from you, and you can't make me lose anything. I am absolutely independent of you. From this pure freedom, I give you my love. And I give you my initiation. அப்பா, நீங்க பணம் கொடுத்தும் நான் பணக்காரன் ஆக போறதில்ல, நீங்க ஓட்டு போட்டும் என்னைய பிரதமராகவோ அதிபராகவோ ஆக்க வேண்டியதில்ல. உங்களால எனக்கு எதுவும் கொடுக்கவும் முடியாது, என்கிட்ட இருந்து எதையும் எடுக்கவும் முடியாது. இந்த சுதந்திரத்துல இருக்கிறதுனாலதான் நான் உங்களுக்கு நேர்மையான காதலோடு, நேர்மையான அன்போடு நான் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டியதை மட்டும் கொடுத்துக்கிட்டே இருப்பேன். பொய் சொல்ல மாட்டேன், ஏமாத்த மாட்டேன், எக்ஸ்ப்ளாய்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன், மேனிப்புலேட் பண்ண மாட்டேன், டைவர்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன், சுத்தி விட மாட்டேன். எதுவுமே எனக்கு தேவையில்லை. ஏன்னா எனக்கு இன்னும் உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து பணமும் தேவையில்லை. இதை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்லிடுறேன், உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து பணமும் தேவையில்லை, உங்களுடைய ஓட்டும் எனக்கு தேவையில்லை. அதனால நான் உங்களுக்கு பொய் சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியமே இல்லை. எது சத்தியமோ அதை சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பேன். வாழறவங்க வாழுங்க. கைலாசத்தினுடைய சத்தியங்களை, சக்திகளை தீட்சையா கொடுத்துக்கிட்டே இருப்பேன். வாங்கிக்கிறவங்களா வாங்கிக்கோங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். I neither need your money. All those who are watching this, be very clearly informed. I don't need your money and I don't need your vote. So I don't need to exploit you. I don't need to manipulate you. I don't need to tell you any lies. I will tell the cosmic truths as it is. I will give you the cosmic powers as it is. I will initiate you, that's all. You can neither add something to me, nor you can take anything away from me. That's all. I'll go on loving you. I'll go on giving you the cosmic powers. I'll go on giving you all the initiations of Paramashiva. Because I am integrated to Paramashiva. And I don't judge you as good guy, bad guy, no. I am just giving you, and I look at you only based on your integrity. I do not look at you based on any good, bad. Listen, I'll answer your question, and I'll also do the initiation today on manifesting the consciousness in your consciousness, the space of Paramashiva in your nervous system, the time of Paramashiva in your skin. So be ready for the initiation. Let's get ready for the question answer and initiation. Yes, we'll start the question answer now. You can put your live questions in YouTube, in Facebook, in all the social media platforms. I'll answer your questions live. Aishwarya Murali is asking, Swamiji, time is skin of the cosmos, touching my skin is the super determinism, is the parallel universe synergy trigger. It is not just parallel universe synergy trigger, it's a truth. That's all. It is just truth. Simple truth. Nothing else. And Sharmila Rajendran is asking how to find out what a person is integrated to you. Sometimes it is obvious and sometimes it is clueless. See, when it is clueless, the person is integrated to confusion. That's all. And if you drop your confusions and look in, you will see very clearly to what confusion the person is integrated. Vesant Tekeste is asking, Swamiji, in parallel universe do we have a form like we do here on earth? Yes. Up to Brahmaloka you have a different form. Only in Kailasa you become one with that consciousness. Almost it becomes like a beyond form. Till Kailasa you have a form. In Brahmaloka, in Vaikuntha, it's more like a Nitya Suris. The form which does not get destroyed. In Kailasa it becomes beyond form. Like absolute freedom. You can have a form and not have a form and not be bound by the forms and just beyond the form. That's extreme freedom and consciousness. Up to Brahmaloka means Satyaloka. You have a defined form. Then in the Vaikuntha means Paramapada, the Nitya Suri state, which has a form but not restricted to the qualities defined as form. And in Kailasa it is absolutely beyond. Ma Durga is asking, can children attend the program Paramashivoham level 3? Even the babies which are inside the womb, pregnant, not yet come out, even they can attend. And even if somebody is dead and body is not burnt, that body can attend. Actually, in Los Angeles we had a devotee. She left the, means medically she was declared dead but did not leave the body for I think almost 2 or 3 months, and body did not rot. She attended my programs like that. After leaving the body, she attended initiation programs and then finally got liberated. Veda Swarupa is asking, Swamiji, with initiations you are giving the gold. Please guide us with simple instructions on how to convert this gold into cash and use in day-to-day life also. Understand? It's too simple. Go on swiping the card. How? In ATM, if you don't get the currency in the first attempt, you just swipe the card again and again. If your credit card doesn't go through, you just swipe the card again and again and you call. Simply put an effort. When you wake up in the morning, before you start your meetings, you tell, I am Paramashiva, so I am going to make my client do exactly what I want. I will be integrated to him, I will make him integrated to me. That's it. Trigger him. Synergetically trigger him. With whoever you need to relate. Whether you relate with your boss, you relate with your client, you relate with your spouse, you relate with your kids, you relate with your pets, you relate with anyone. Just decide to synergetically trigger. You tell the cosmos, see, I am integrated to him or her. This is what I want and this is what I want them to manifest. I will be integrated to this. That's it. You will simply see it manifests. It just manifests. I have always seen this happen. There is no struggle. There is no waste of time. There is no waste of attempt. Just try few times and decide till it happens. I am not going to stop trying. That's all. If you are married, one benefit you have is your wife can train you very well. With your client or boss or family, with anybody. Just consciously trigger. That's all. It's a simple instruction. You will manifest anything you want. The absolute integrity as a power. It has a power even to infuse integrity into the other person. That is the power of integrity. Understand? That's a power of integrity. Power of integrity is it brings integrity even in the other person and makes the collective integrity into reality. Just see how tirelessly I do it. I do it. I do it. That's all. Selvendra Krishnan is asking blessings for manifesting the money, wealth. My blessings, Selvendra Krishnan, you will manifest it. Tatas. I think too many questions have come up. Now it is time for the initiation. Let's get ready for initiation. It's getting late for initiation. We were supposed to start the initiation at 2 minutes now. So better you get ready for initiation now. Get your pets, kids, family, everyone, plants, everyone get them. Whoever you want to have initiation, get them all, make them all sit. Let's start the initiation process. So many questions coming up. Om, Om, Om. With this, start the initiation. Understand. Understand, the initiation is going to be very strong and powerful. So sit straight, close your eyes. I'm going to initiate Paramashiva's consciousness into your consciousness. Paramashiva's space in your nervous system. Paramashiva's time in your skin. So you manifest Paramashiva's life in your life. So understand. I'll start the initiation. Sit straight. Om, 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 Om. Om Shiva, 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 Om Shiva, 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 Om Shiva, 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 Shivoham, Shivoham, Om Shiva, 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 Om Ham Haum Shivaya Namaha, Om Shivoham, Om Paramashiva, 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 Om Paramashivoham, Om Paramashivoham, Om Paramashivoham, Om Nityanandam, Om Nityanandam, Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namaha, Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namaha, Om Nityanandoham, Om Nityanandoham, Om Nityanandavaramashivoham, Om Nityanandavaramashivoham, Om, 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 Om. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Savayivam, Paramadvaitam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa, Maha Kailasa, Paramashiva, Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.